Welcome to Dalal Al Jazeera, everybody. Today I have Perkins. This is also Caterpillar subsidiary company. You can see this engine. This model is 3066-2300. You can see the condition of this engine is very beautiful, clean, neat and clean, almost new. It's ready to use, 100% in working condition. You can see the oil filters. You can see the serial number. Made in UK, Perkins. This is also Caterpillar. Caterpillar Perkins made in UK. 4-cylinder engine with turbo. You can see the turbo. You can see Perkins logo. Now showing the other side of this engine. This is the generator, turbo. This is the turbo. This is the generator, fan. You can see everything is in good condition. Ready to use this engine. The block number. We have all types of engines, all companies like Caterpillar, Cummins, JCB, Scania, Volvo. We have all types of engines, and we have maintained the quality of the parts. We will always give you quality parts for your heavy equipment to keep them running for your organization. So do subscribe our channel to watch more videos like these. Thank you guys. Thank you.